Find the area of the shaded region in the following figure here. All right, so we have, these are called concentric circles. Okay, we have the outer circle and the inner circle, they have the same center here. Okay, and we see the shaded region is the area in between, right? The large one and the small one here. And you can think of it like a donut. Okay, so we're finding the area of this shape right here. Okay, now it appears, right, as long as we take the area of the larger circle, right, we want to find the area of the large circle and then subtract the area of the smaller circle or the inner circle. Okay. Now remember the formula for the circle is A equals pi r squared. So for the outer circle, the radius is 4. And for the inner circle, the radius is 2. Okay, so the area in this case was going to be pi r squared, right? So pi times 4 squared, or pi times 16. Okay, so I'm going to use 3.14. If you have the pi button, you can use that. Okay, so in this case, this is going to be 50.24 centimeters squared, right? That is the area of the large circle. Now, I do want to point out that even though the radius of the inner circle is half the size, right, it doesn't mean that the circle is going to be half of this. Okay, let's take a look. Pi times r squared. In this case, the radius is 2, right? So pi times 2 squared is pi times 4. In this case, that actually gives us 12.56 centimeters squared. That's the area of the inner circle. It actually turns out that this circle takes up 4 times more space. So even though the radius is 2 times bigger, okay, so what I mean by that is we have this circle with a radius of 4, and we have the inner circle which has a radius of 2, right? So even though the radius is 2 times bigger, the area is 4 times bigger. Okay? So in this case, the area of the shaded region is just going to be the difference of these two guys. So 50.24 minus 12.56, okay, and that gives us 37.68 centimeters squared.